Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you've ever seen your abstraction control or even your check engine light pop on and your scanner spit out the code C0222, you're in the right place. Don't panic. This code sounds a bit technical, but today we're going to break it down into simple, easy to understand steps so you can figure out what's going on with your car. The official definition for C0222 is right front speed sensor signal missing. In plain English, it means your car's computer is getting a signal from the wheel speed sensor on your front passenger side wheel. So, what exactly does this sensor do? Well, it's a crucial part of your anti-lock braking system. Or ABS. It constantly measures how fast that specific wheel is spinning and sends that information to the ABS control module. The module uses this data from all four wheels to determine if one wheel is about to lock up during heavy braking. If it detects a lockup, it rapidly pulses the brake on that wheel to help you maintain steering control and prevent skidding. This is why, when this sensor fails, you'll almost always see the ABS light come on. The system disables itself as a safety precaution because it can't trust the data it's receiving, or in his case, not receiving at all. You might also see your traction control or stability control lights illuminate, as those systems also rely on wheel speed data to function correctly. Now, let's get into the fun part. Diagnosing the problem. The most common cause of a C0222 code is, you guessed it, a faulty wheel speed sensor. These sensors live in a pretty harsh environment, exposed to water, dirt, road, salt, and vibrations. So it's not surprising they eventually fail. But before you rush out and buy a new one, we need to do some detective work. The issue could be something much simpler and cheaper to fix. First, let's start with a visual inspection. Safely jack up the front passenger side of your vehicle and secure it with a jack stand. Never work under a car supported only by a jack. Once the wheel is off, locate the wheel speed sensor. It's usually a small sensor mounted on the steering knuckle or wheel hub assembly, with a wire leading from it. Your first step is to carefully inspect that wiring. Look for any obvious signs of damage. Has the wire been stretched, pinched, or chafed? Is the connector cracked, corroded, or full of dirt and grime? Sometimes, the wire can get damaged by road debris or even by rubbing against a suspension component. If you see visible damage, that's likely your culprit. If the wiring looks okay, the next thing to check is the connector itself. Unplug it and look at the pins inside both ends. Are they clean and shiny? Or are they green and poor contact here can easily interrupt the signal. You can try cleaning the connector with some electrical contact cleaner and a small brush. Sometimes, just unplugging and replugging the connector is enough to re-establish a good connection. Another potential cause is the tone ring, also called a reluctor ring. This is a toothed or slotted ring that the sensor reads to determine wheel speed. It's often part of the wheel hub assembly, or the CV axle. As the wheel spins, the teeth pass by the sensor, creating a signal. If this ring is cracked, has missing teeth, or is covered in thick rust or debris, the sensor can't get a proper reading. Give it a good visual inspection. If it's just dirty, try cleaning it with a wire brush. If it's damaged, it will need to be replaced, which sometimes means replacing the entire hub assembly or CV axle, depending on the design. If the wiring, connector, and tone ring will check out, then it's most likely that the sensor itself has failed internally. You can test it with a multimeter, if you're comfortable doing so, by checking for resistance or by spinning the wheel and looking for an AC voltage signal. However, for many dieers, if all the external checks pass, replacing the sensor is the most straightforward next step. They are usually held in by just 1 or 2 bolts and are relatively inexpensive. So, to recap, code C0222 means no signal from the right front wheel speed sensor. Start by visually inspecting the wiring and connector for damage or corrosion. Then, check the tone ring for dirt or damage. If everything else looks good, the sensor itself is the most likely cause. Fixing this issue will not only turn off those annoying lights on your dash, but will also restore the full function of your car's important safety systems. I hope this guide helps you tackle the C0222 code with confidence. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more car repair tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.